Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by, and as you know, as usual, it's always a pleasure to make a video for you. I received this in the post this morning. Oh, my hands are a little bit dry. Yeah, so I'm so excited. It's all the way from the United States of America, and I was just over the moon to receive this. Now I better get it opened. There we go. I did open it just so it saves me from getting the knife out or the scissors to cut it up and everything. So here we have I'll get them out of the box. Right, so I have got 16 Happy Planner sticker books, and I am really happy. Okay, so I'm not going to do a flip through of any of them because there is numerous amount of videos here on YouTube that you can check out and see all the flip throughs. I'm just going to do a quick video letting you know what I have here. Now I've got the memory planning, and this one's big, and the reason why I'll go through all the big ones, the reason why I got the big was because it's got some really good stuff in here, and I not only want to use the sticker books for my mini planner, I'd like them for my journal as well, because I do a journal and I'm doing a study at the moment, so they'll come in handy for that. I just love the stickers, and any book or notebook that I use, I really would like to have the stickers in them because they're so pretty and they make me happy and they're unusual. So here we go. So that's the memory planning, and I've got two of the memory plannings actually. Let's just have a look. I do have another one, but it's in a different category. So this is the big ones. So that would mean, so we've got the mini, the classic, and the big. So the mini is 7 discs, the classic is 9 discs, and the big is 11 discs. So this is for the 11 discs because they've got some really big stickers in there, and those will come in really handy for my journaling and stuff. So that's another big one. This is the Colour Story, and I love the Colour Story so much. It's got some great images in there that I had to get two. So that's that. And then we have the Rainbow, and that's a big one as well, because they've got some really lovely images and wordings and phrases and so forth. So I love that. And then we go on to the minis now. We go on to the minis. Please excuse the dog. I think it's the postman or somebody just maybe walking past, and he's down at the front screaming his head off, barking his head off, I should say. Right, so this is the mini planner basics. So I've got that for my mini planner, and also again, not necessarily specifically for the mini planner, I can use it for my faith journal, my personal journal, and also any studies that I'm doing, taking notes and so forth. I can use them. So that's the planner basics. Then I have the mini seasonal, and I have the mini Faith Warrior. I think there's another one to this. I have got the Mini Faith at the moment, and I really liked the Faith Warrior, so that's that. Then we go on to the normal ones, which is the classic, and this is just called stickers. There's 1,486 pieces in here, and as I said, these are going to really come in handy for all my notes, my planner, my journaling, and my faith journal as well. This one is the lovely Super Mum. Lovely. It's got some great stickers in here, and I love that. And then we've got the Brights, which bright isn't the word. It's got some beautiful colours in here. The colours are amazing. Sorry, I had to show you this one. The colours are just bedazzling on the eyes. So that one's the Brights. Then we have the Boss Babe, and I really wanted this one. Really wanted the Boss Babe. So I'm really happy overall with my stick books. Then I have the Free Spirit, which I think this is one of the new ones out, I think, and the Boss Babe is one of the new ones out, and I've got a few more on my list, but that's the Free Spirit, and it's got some really lovely colours in there. This is the Teacher one. As I said, I'm going to need this when I'm doing a bit of studying, so this will come in handy for that. Then we got another memory keeping, but this one is dates and holidays, and I needed that for my planner actually, because I have no numbers to date my planner with, unless I use my stamps, my acrylic stamps. I could, and I will at some point. So that's the memory keeping, dates and holidays. Then we have the journaling, and I do believe there's a doodle journaling as well, and this one is going to be perfect for all my journaling. And that's got 1,868 pieces in there. The memory keeping, dates and holidays doesn't have a number of pieces, but it's got a lot. I think it's because they're so tiny as well, really, because you've got all the tiny numbers. Look, so no point really putting a number on those. And then I have the alphabet, the alpha stickers, and that's going to come in really handy. And not only for planning, but you know, making cards, embellishments and stuff. And that's that, and there's 4,180 pieces in that. Yes, so that's my lovely haul from America, and I'm really grateful that I do have family and friends that live in America that can order me these and make sure that they get here. I did have to pay custom on these, but it was worth it, absolutely worth it, because I believe my family got these at really ridiculous prices, like perhaps $4.99 sterling. So, you know, it is really worth it in comparison to the original prices, which is it could be up to $21, I think, which that would be about £16 or £17. sterling, so I'm really grateful. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. I'd really be grateful and appreciative if you did that, and also hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and have a lovely week. Bye for now. Bye bye.